Hello, dental speaker and consultant. I'm Vanessa Emerson, founder of Dental Speakers Institute and Dental Speakers Bureau. And I would love to share with you some tips and tools to help you be able to get your business back on track. This has been a crazy year. We're midway through 2020 right now, almost the end of June. And there has been a lot of challenge this year, especially in dental, but really worldwide, everywhere we look. I believe there's a lot of opportunity disguised as challenge, and it's our responsibility and our opportunity to dig into that challenge and to figure out how we can pivot our businesses so that we can remain successful and ultimately thrive rather than just try to survive. I'm coming to you with this video today because I have information that I think could help you, and I'd really love to share it with you. I am offering a virtual workshop that is a 2-day weekend business intensive. It's called Transform My Business. The focus of this business is multiple focuses, but know that at the core, what we're going to be doing is looking at how do you need to pivot. We want to make sure you have your finger on the pulse of the challenge, the pain point that has shifted, because your focus needs to have shifted. And there are also multiple business best practices, some fundamentals, some habits, some techniques that, whether it's the best of times or the most challenging of times, will consistently help you connect with those who are looking for what you have to offer and be able to help you grow your business. So at its core, this is a business growth seminar specifically for the dental speaker and consultant. I'm entering my 20th year working and supporting dental speakers and consultants. Some of the things that we will cover at this workshop are, we'll make sure you have the essential first steps in place. These are steps that many speakers skip, and ultimately the overall success of your business is tied to having these in place. We're going to make sure you know how you differentiate. We're going to make sure you have niched properly and that you have a solid brand. We'll take a look at your marketing materials, and you'll leave with more marketing knowledge and understanding what materials you need to have in place. As we review your existing materials, you're going to learn what can you do to shift or change your message. How can you modify what you're doing now? Not just materials like a flyer or a speaker packet, but also your blogging, social media, writing articles, different ways that you may be seen now as an industry influencer and thought leader, or to help you gain that visibility. We'll also talk about setting your honorarium. This is one of those things that many people wonder, have I set my honorarium appropriately? Am I leaving money on the table? Is it too high? Is it too low? We'll chat about that, and there are some best practices for that. We'll also talk about sponsorship relationships. We have had a model for sponsorship in our industry for about the last dozen years that has steadily become more and more broken. The challenges that we're having economically in the world right now and in our industry ultimately give us a chance to hit reset on that sponsorship model. And we'll talk a little bit about that and how you can find a sponsor that you really can align with and help them while they also help you. We will talk about list building strategies. This is something that many speakers need but overlook. We are speaking, we're writing articles or blogging, we're Facebook Living, but we're not giving anything away. There are multiple strategies that we'll dive deep on. You will leave with examples of exactly how to do this, a step-by-step process to be able to grow your list of potential clients from the people sitting in your audience and reading your articles or following you on Facebook. There are some easy to do, and there's a great process that makes it easy for you to capture those and then be able to get in front of those people. You want to be in front of your tribe, those who are already following you, who already see you as an influencer. That you can tell that's one I'm really passionate about. And that's something that many people are not doing that would be helping you right now. We'll talk about CE and what it is and what is and is not your responsibility in providing CE. And if you want to be a provider, how to go about doing that. There are multiple options. We'll talk about the importance of networking, building good, solid relationships, where to go, how to do that. Ultimately, we're going to be talking about many different processes, systems, habits, some fundamentals that will help you grow your business in the best of times and absolutely in the most challenging of times. I feel so passionate about helping our colleagues. Each of you are my colleague. Many of you are my friends. I feel like I'm sitting on knowledge that would be helping people in such an important way. I had a cat fight in the other room. You probably heard that. Not really a fight. You can tell I'm into cats. Here they go. But what I really want to share with you is an easy way for you to be able to attend this workshop. It's normally $900 for this 2-day virtual intensive, which is a low rate to start with. But because I really want to help you get this information, we're going to be running a special through July 5th for Independence Day. You can receive half off to the next workshop, which is, I got to get it in front of me, August 28th and 29th. That's a Friday and Saturday. 50% off. Just use discount code INDEPENDENCE. Go to the landing page, ultimatebusinessintensive.com. ultimatebusinessintensive.com. You can also get there by going to thedentalspeaker.com and going under seminars. You'll see the ad just above the dates. There are multiple dates. The next workshop is August 7th and 8th, and it has just sold out. We have had it open for a week and it's sold out. These are small group intensives. We'll have 12 to 15 people there. There will be a couple thousand people that see this email. This video, which will ultimately be in an email and online, but I expect this to sell out in a short period of time. So I encourage you to go to ultimatebusinessintensive.com. If this is of interest to you, use discount code INDEPENDENCE. You'll get that for $450 for that 2-day weekend for just that workshop, August 28th and 29th. If you would like to chat with me to find out more about how we can help you with getting your business back on track, or if you are on track and just want to do more, that's my favorite conversation to have. Just shoot me an email, info@thedentalspeaker.com. I'll send you a link to my calendar and I would be happy to chat with you. I'll give you 30 to 60 minutes of my time and help you know what good resources are available and be able to help you figure out some good next steps for you. Thank you so much for listening. Know that we're going to get through this. Know that we're already on our way back to a recovery. Know that the future is bright, and know that there is tremendous opportunity for you as a dental speaker and consultant. And know that the message you have to share is one that needs to be heard, especially right now. Let's get you out there sharing it more. Let's get you out there consulting more. I'm Vanessa Emerson, founder of Dental Speaker Institute, Dental Speakers Bureau, and you can find me at thedentalspeaker.com. Thank you for listening. Bye-bye.